Hey guys, what is up? This is Last Cast Outdoors, and I am so happy you guys are here with me today because we are at a beautiful reservoir. This is called Hobbs Reservoir, and let me tell you, this place is really beautiful. This is my first time fishing here, and I'm super excited. The fish in here are rainbow trout, cutthroat trout, and brown trout, and I'm really excited because I love all of those trout. So fun fact about this place is that you can only use artificial lures. So we're gonna be using, spinners and flies and stuff like that. Unfortunately, we cannot use power bait or worms. But yeah, there's a couple fish jumping out here. There's a lot of bugs on the water. So anyway, let's stop talking. Let's get rigged up and head out on the water. See you soon. So I got two setups today. This is my first one. Today we're going to be rocking a 5.6 light ugly stick carbon. And then my reel today is an Okuma Kaimar C30. And then the line we're going to be rocking is 6-pound P-line fluorocarbon. Alright guys, we're going to be rocking with this 5.6 ugly stick light Light Pro. And then the reel today is an Okuma ITX 3000H. And then my line is 6-pound P-line fluorocarbon. We're going to be using some flies. I'm going to switch to like traditional flies and Pistol Pete's, which are my favorite. It has a little spinner on the head, so it makes a little bit of vibration, and they tend to like that. So yeah, we're going to be switching out different flies, and if I catch one, I'll let you know what fly it was on. Oh, that's a fish. Oh, whoa. Wow. That is my largest. This looks like a yeah, it's a green sunfish. Holy moly. Holy crap. That's crazy. That's a big old sunfish. Look at that guy. Super pretty. Wow. That guy's a chunk. Wow, look at that. So pretty. Beautiful colors. Alright, take a picture. There we go. Let's let him go. Wow. And just to let you guys know, when I take pictures and stuff, I post it on Fishbrain. It's kind of like Instagram, but for like anglers and fishermen and stuff. So every time I take a picture of something, you can check out my Fishbrain at Last Cast Outdoors. And yeah, my photo will be on there. You can like it, and we can talk and comment if you want. So yeah, I want to do some spinners and jakes and stuff, because on Fishbrain, that kind of seems what they're biting. So we're gonna try spinners and jakes and stuff like that. See if we can catch trout. But I feel like we're gonna be catching a lot of bluegill, green sunfish, and pumpkin seeds. So let's give it a try. Oh, there's a fish. Come over here, buddy. Ooh, chunky boy. Got another chunky green sunfish. Right on the side of the lip. Right where I want it. Wow, he got a belly on him. Yeah, he's pretty chunky. Really pretty though. Super pretty. These guys fight really hard. All right, let's let him go. See you, buddy. Sweet. Let's catch some more. Oh, I thought I had one. It's kind of hard to have a, it's hard to know that you have a bite when they keep attacking your line. There's one. There we go. They're almost like hybrids out here. You can see the... They're like hybrids. Kind of like, this one's kind of a pumpkin seed because of the orange ear and stuff, but yeah, in the design, this looks like a pumpkin seed to me. But it has the bottom fins like a green sunfish, so they're definitely hybrids out here. See you, buddy. There's a fish. Oh, thing's huge. Oof. Sweet. This is why I don't like treble hooks. There we go. Nice. Wow, look at you. Ooh. Got another slab right here. It looks like a green sunfish and a pumpkin seed hybrid. Hope you guys can see that. Sweet. I'm gonna weigh him real quick and I'll get back to you guys. All right, 6 ounces. Not bad. Not bad at all. I'm gonna hurry and take a picture real quick. Sweet. All right, guys, let's let him go. See you, buddy. All right, guys, we are switching to a black rooster tail. They do pretty good here, so let's give it a try. There we go. Oh man, they're so big. Whoa! Oh, he's heavy. I think this one weighs more than the other one, honestly. Oh, it popped right out of his mouth, just how I like it. Ooh. There we go. Another chunky little guy. There we go. Just a little guy. Just another little guy. Pretty green sunfish. Oh, he got like those black spots on his fins. That's really cool. All right, let's let him go. See you, buddy. There we go. Let me get my net. All right, guys, I'm gonna keep you updated. I didn't know if this was gonna work, but it actually did, and it's actually doing pretty well. So I actually just put on a Rapala that floats, so maybe we could get some topwater action. And yeah, he blew up on it. Perfect. That's crazy. This is gonna be a lot of fun now. Come here, buddy. There we go. Another one. He has those black spots again, and he has those pretty blue lines. Pretty green sunfish. All right, see you, buddy. All right, guys, let me show you what I'm throwing on right now. Come here. All right. So it's just this floating shad, whatever, Rapala, and they just blow up on it. So let's keep throwing this and get some more topwater action. There he is. Perfect. Sweet. Hey, buddy. There's one, there's two, there's three. There we go. Another little green sunfish. Let's let him go. It's crazy how those little guys just bite these Rapalas like that. Oh, there we go. Nice. All right. Sweet. Another hybrid. Pretty fins. Thank you, buddy. There we go. Perfect. Oh, nice. You got me stuck in a rock. Get out, buddy. Man, that sucks. Oh, man. Well, at least you were able to see the blow up, but I do not have a Rapala now. All right, guys, today was a good day, but a very weird day at the same time. I thought coming here, I would be able to catch some trout, and I tried everything in my tackle box and nothing worked. Unfortunately, I didn't know that, you could only use artificial lures and spinners and stuff like that, so I would have brought a lot more, but unfortunately I just used what I had, and I had no bites or anything. But those bluegill, let's see, pumpkin seed and green sunfish, those guys were fun. I'm glad they were here, because if they weren't, then I wouldn't be making a video today. But they were awesome. They were very aggressive. I know I threw spinners, flies, and I put that Rapala on and got some sick topwater action. Hopefully you guys were able to see that, but I'm excited to see those videos and see those topwater blow-ups, and yeah, I can't wait. But I had a great time here. It's honestly super beautiful here. It's really quiet and peaceful, and there's like no wind, and I'm like the only one here, which is awesome. But if I did have a kayak or something, it would probably be a lot more fun being out there with my fish finder, kind of knowing where they're at and located at. So but yeah, I will definitely be coming back here. This actually would be a pretty cool place to do some ice fishing, which I honestly cannot wait for you guys. I miss ice fishing right now. I got into it like last year, and it was amazing. Like, it's just one of the coolest things ever. So I might come here and do some ice fishing, but yeah, if you guys are enjoying this content and stuff, and you guys are enjoying the videos and whatnot, you know, leaving a like and subscribing and comment means a lot to me, especially the comments. I love interacting and talking with you guys, and yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna head out, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. See ya.